Hello friends, welcome to brand new tutorial of Learn Code with Sankalp. In today's tutorial, we have focusing on learning the Angular. In previous video, we have learned how to create Spring Boot project and how to configure Spring Boot project in various applications. So in today's tutorial, we have discussed about Angular. We have created one Angular project which is very scratch level and we have connect the Angular project to our Spring Boot project. So we have creating the scratch level project and we have making the line by line code, guys. So watch this video till end so you can understand the Angular concepts. So if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So without wasting any time, we have started the development. So guys, I have already created one Spring Boot project. So understanding, I will explain the Spring Boot project. Here we have Spring Boot project created, guys. So here we can using the firstly we have configure our database properties. Like we have already this employee management schema and this username password and some GPA properties. And next we have created one model class. Inside model class we have table like employee registration table and we have some fields and we have taking a primary key as a ID. Okay. Then second we have to create one repository layer and we have using JPA repository. Okay. Then inside the main method we have creating one our REST endpoints like register employee, get all user employee, get employee, and cancel employee like this. Okay, this is the our REST endpoint, guys. We have to consume that REST endpoint in our Angular application. So we have to run this application. I will show you what how the application will be performed. See guys, application is running in port 8080. Okay, then here you can see that we have some employees. Then firstly we have register one employee. So here we can see that we have employee name like uh, Amar, Amar, this is and his backend. Okay, look at this. See guys, our profile will be created. Then we have to get all user employee. Then here we can getting the all users. Okay. See guys, we have two employees. One this is employee and one this employee. This tomatoes employee is by default created, guys. So this is not any issue. We have two employees. Okay. Then we have to second will be we have to find by mail ID. So we can find by mail ID like we have to find like mail ID like we have firstly we have getting the all employee and we have getting the employee of Amar. So we have giving the employee name like here Amar. Okay. Then we have to find. Okay, we have getting this employee. Then last 10 point will be have to delete the employee. So we can delete the this tomatoes employee we have delete. Then we have to cancel employee we have giving the ID. Okay, we what is the ID of that employee 34. Then we have to give the ID of 34. Okay, then we have hit that. After deleting we have getting the list of employee. This is the our code, guys. This is very simple, guys. This is Spring Boot code, guys. No any complex logic or no any rocket science in that. We have created simple Spring Boot project and we have creating this four endpoints. Okay, then we have to create our mainly focus on Angular project. So firstly we have create Angular project. Inside this we have creating opening the CMD tag. Okay, inside CMD we have configure some command. Firstly we have click checking our Angular version. Okay, our Angular version will be that the command will be not -v, it's only v. Okay, then our Angular version will be the 17 Angular version. We have node using 20.12 and our package manager will be 10.2 npm package. Okay, then we have to create our one new our Angular project. Then command will be that ng new employee management system. Okay, and here we can this is Angular 17 guys. It will be created by default standalone component, but we have not required standalone component, so we can giving command like stand alone equal to stand alone equal to al false. Okay, then we have creating enter. Okay, this is asking for CSS. We have clicking on X. This is asking for okay guys. Our project is created guys, and we have to open this project in our Visual Studio Code. Okay, then we have opening the Visual Studio Code, and here you can paste that path. This is our project guys. Then we have to import this project in our Visual Studio Code. Okay guys, this project is our imported guys. Then we have to firstly trust the author. Okay, this our project is created guys. Then firstly we have to this is our package structure guys. This is main package, app package. This is, then we have to create our own components. We have creating our own two components. Then we have to write the code inside the two components, so complexity will be low. And we have creating one service layer also. So we have inside API calling logic, we have to insert in the service layer. So we have opening the terminal window. Inside terminal window, we have creating the package components firstly. So firstly we have to ngGC, C means component, registration component, registration learn equal to false. Okay, component created. We have to, the second component will be search and delete component. Search and delete. Okay, this is second component guys. And okay, second component is also created. Then third will be, we have to create one service, ngGS service, and service name will be employee registration, employee service. Okay, this is service is also there guys. So we can verify that we have to created our two components. This is our two components guys, and this is our service guys. Okay guys, then we have to register our service in our app module.ts. Then we have to firstly register our service. So inside provider we have register our service, employee employee service. Okay, we have imported employee service. Then we have required one modules guys. Then we have to adding the modules in our import. So firstly we have required HTTP client. So external API call we have to done by HTTP client module, and second will be that forms module, forms module. Okay, there's two modules is important guys. We have added this that module. Then second we have to create one class. Inside Java we have creating the module class. Like that inside the Angular we have creating class. So firstly we have create the Okay guys, here we can create one class. So inside app we have creating new file like employee.ts file. Okay, inside ts plus we have to export that class. Export class employee. Okay, then we have to giving the tags name like any. Then second will be the email like any, and experience like any. And here we cannot give the comma, we have given the semicolon. Okay, and second will be a domain, means which domain he will, backend, front end, which domain he will. So we can giving that any. Okay, then second we have creating one constructor. Inside constructor we have giving the all these things, name like string. Okay, and email like string, and experience is like string, and domain like string. Okay, then we have to give the either semicolon, curly brace. Okay, then here we can give the colon, comma. Okay, this is our basically constructor is called guys. Then here we can our main Pojo class will be created, means Pojo our ts.ts file will be created. Okay guys, then here we can create one inside register component.ts. Then we have to work on register component.ts. Inside register.component.ts we have creating one employee object. So here we can create like employee is equal to new employee, and here we can give the constructor. Here we can 0, and here we can give the constructor. Okay, this is our constructor called guys. And here we we have import this. Okay, we have imported this guys. This is our completed guys. Our ts class is complete, and registration we have to created one model class. Okay, so why this giving me error? Assign as a number. Okay, so here we can see that experience, it will be number. Okay, then we have to create inside service layer we have to call our client. So we can call our Spring Boot project. Okay guys, then here we can inside service layer we can call our HTTP client. So firstly we have create the object of the HTTP client. So here we can private http client. Okay, and inside HTTP client we have to import from Angular common, and then we have here we can create one new method for registration. Okay, then here we can give the public do registration, and here we can give the our give the user employee object. Okay, then employee give the any. Okay, and inside that we have called the our API, backend API. So we have to return log like this dot http dot post. We have post method, and here we can calling that this method. We have calling this method. Okay, we have calling this method. Okay, so we can add the cross origin. So we can call the connect the Angular application to the our Spring Boot application. So it is mandatory to the give the cross origin. Okay, this is API we have calling guys. So inside the postman you can see that this is API guys. So we have copy pasting that API. Okay, then here we can give the which object we have getting the like employee. Okay, employee, and after that we have getting the response in the JSON format. So we can tell to the Angular response type what is the response type. So we have getting the text, and we have convert that text to the JSON. Okay, this is okay, guys. Then we have to our service layer is completed, guys. Then we have to create one inside. This is our service layer, guys. And inside the register component test, we have called the call our this service layer. So firstly we have create like constructor inside that, and we have inject the service layer inside our register component. So firstly we have create the constructor, and we have to private service and employee service. We have injected that service, guys. Then here you can create one method like public register now. Okay, then here you can call the our service layer, service dot do register, and inside do register we have passed the our user object. So firstly we have create here the user object. Okay, we already created user object. Then here we can pass the do registration. We have passed the user object. Okay, dot user now we have passed the employee object. Okay, then here you can getting the response in the late keyword. So here we can give the late response. Okay, we have getting the late response here, and then we have to subscribe this response. Then we have that subscribe. Inside subscribe we have getting the data, and we have passed the data to UI. Okay, then like this dot message and is equal to data. Okay, then we have to define message here. Public message any. Okay, we have computed the message inside the message. We have passing the at the in the UI. Okay, then we have to write some HTML code, but HTML code is very bulky, guys. So I have already created that code, so I have copy pasting that code, and I will explain you what is that code. Okay, okay, this is our employee registration.html code. Okay, I will explain you what is that. This is template driven form, guys. Here we can giving the ng model, means we have using the two-way binding. Okay, that's which update we have getting from the ts file. This is employee object, guys. This is we have getting from the ts file. Okay, then here we can give the giving like this. Okay, then we have to giving like same like we have getting name, employee experience, employee domain, like this. Okay, then here what is the error? Okay, some is very typo there, guys. So we can fix this typo. We have experienced typo, so here we can fix that typo. Okay, then here we can fix this. Okay, then here we can give the what will be the here we can give the simple template one. But how we can click on that form registration? Here we have registration button. Okay, then here we can give the our on click event. Okay, then firstly here we can give the on click event. So here we can give the click event here. Click and register. Same like ts layer, we have copy pasting this. Okay, so no any doubt. Okay, after registration we have to pass the message. Here we can getting the message. Okay, pass on the our pass on our HTML layer. So here we can liking like creating like div and giving the style like text align center and okay, and here we can give the string interpolation. Okay, then h2 tag we have giving like message. Okay, so we have getting the proper data. Okay, then all things will be seems to okay guys. So one thing is remaining guys. We have to configure the our routing, which routing will be there. So we have opening the outer routing model.ts class. Inside routing guys, we have to configure some routing. So here we can see that we have here routes. So here we can give the path like firstly we have empty path, and it will by default direct to register. Okay, path match full. Okay, then we have to redirect to our two last two component. Okay, path like stir register component. Okay, then we have to giving the component label search. Okay, and here you can give the search component, search delete component. Okay, our routing will be completed guys. Then we have to going into our main class, main HTML template, and here we can give the routlet. Okay, so we can configure our routing. Okay, it's okay guys. Then we have to run this code and we have test our things is going okay or not. We have clicking on ng-serve. Okay, yes, our application is running at port 4200. Okay, then we have to copy this, open the browser and paste this here. Okay, our employee form is there guys. Then we have to open our DB. Okay, we are opening our DB. Inside employee management, we have one table like employee register table. Okay, there will be one record guys. Then we have to add another record. So we have Amol at the rate learn code with sankalp.com. Experience will be 7 years, and he will be front end. Okay, we have to try to register that. Okay, hi Amol, our registration is successful. Then we have to verify in our DB. Then we have to verify in our DB. We have getting the saving the Amol record also. Okay, this is over guys. Our registration process will be completed. Then we have to move to the our second concept, like search and display the all the employees inside our UI page. Okay guys, then we have to successfully register our employee. Then we have to configure all these endpoint on in our application. So I have pasting this. Okay, second employee will be that get all users employee. Okay, it will be not taking any argument like this, and we have setting like get all users like URI like this. Okay, okay, no need to anything. This is a get mapping guys. Okay, okay, then second will be that get employee by ID. Okay, okay, and here we can getting the email as the email. Okay, then we have giving the email as a any. Okay, then we have to here we can passing the get find by email ID. Okay, here we can pass here also. Here we can pass the email ID, and here we can give the which email ID will be there. Okay, the email ID. Okay, last thing will be delete employee. Delete employee will be getting the ID. Okay, getting the ID, and here we can give the delete mapping, and here we can the give the what is the error. Here we can getting the error like this. Okay, then here we can passing the delete employee URL. Okay, this is completed guys, and here we can give the ID. Okay, okay, then what is the here error? We have expected 2 to 3 argument. Why this telling this? Get. Okay, here we can pass the get. Okay, our service class is completed guys. Then we have to move to the our search component. Means we have to populate our all employees in our UI. So here we can give the our search component. Here is our search component guys. Then here we can give the inside search component. Firstly we have implement ng on it. Implements on in it. Okay, then we have to implement the ng on it method. Okay, then here we can give the constructor firstly constructor, and I have inject the service layer. Okay, employee service. Okay, then we have to close this. Okay, and inside the on need method we have give the service layer. Okay, then we call this dot service dot get all employee, and we have storing the result as a let keyword, let response. Okay, then we have to pass like response dot subscribe, and then we have to pass like data and this dot employee is equal to data. Okay, data update we have saving in the employee. So here we can give the employee object, employee we are giving like any data type. Okay, this is over, guys. Then we have to copy paste our, okay, then this is our this is our this is our search employee object, guys. Inside the search employee HTML, we have already created one template, guys. So we have copy pasted template. No anything new in this. We have same like HTML, same HTML code will be there. Okay, guys. Then here we can pasting the employee code. Okay, no any complex logic. We have copy pasting like employee code only. Okay, this is employee code, guys. We have copy pasting this employee code, guys. So it is giving the one error, guys. So what is the error? Employee will be not available inside the TS class. Okay, then we have to see that this is employee is available. So why this giving me error? So we have not save this. Okay, this is our employee class, guys. So we have copy pasting the CSS also, guys. So we have saving that, and after that we have run our code. Okay, our this code is running, guys, on port 84200. Okay, then we have to run this code. This is okay, guys. Then we have to run this code like here search. Okay, we have getting the all employees from the DB. Okay, after that we have clicking on register. We have putting name like Sankalp @learn code with sankalp.com, and experience will be 4 years, and backend developer. Okay, we have registered that. We have registering that, and after that we have search. So we have getting the this all employees. Okay, guys. Then we have to giving the functionality of search of employees. Okay, then inside the search component, we have changing some modification. Inside search.ts, we have creating one new method. Okay, for searching. So firstly we have create one method for the find. Firstly we have creating one button to delete, and after that we have creating the search functionality. Okay, guys. Then we have to, for delete, we have to clicking on public delete employee. Inside employee we have getting the number of ID. Okay, then this dot service dot delete employee, and delete employee will be that getting one ID. Okay, then we have, here we can pass the ID. Okay, then we have to getting the data form inside the late keyword. Okay, then response dot subscribe, and here you can pass the data, and we have subscribing to the this dot employee, and saving the data to the employee object. Okay, after deleting we have getting the data employees, list of employee. Here you can see that after deleting we have getting the list of employees. Okay, so we can saving the giving the data to the UI page. Okay, then we have to give the action inside our class. So firstly here we can give the action search.html. We have given the action 1 thction action, and here we can give the one anchor link. Okay, one anchor link we have to give. Okay, then we have, so here you can give the one anchor link. Okay, and after that we have here we can give the one click event. Okay, then here you can give the one click event like delete employee. What is the event here? We have delete employee. Okay, then here you can give the delete employee, and here you can give the employee dot id. Which employee we have getting from the UI, it will be deleted. Okay, then we have to close all these things, close others, and we have to run this project, and we have run this project. Okay, here you can one mistake guys, here we have to pass the here you can see the we have some mistake. Okay, we have delete button, and then here we can pass like click event. Okay, which method will be there? Delete employee. Okay, and here we can give the employee dot id. Okay, we have to save this and giving here we are refreshing this. Okay, and we have to see the how employee deleting or not. So guys, here we have employee is not deleting, so we can, what is the error, we have inspect this. Okay, so cancel, there will be some error like internal server error, cancel. Okay, this error is giving, what is the error is giving, you can see that does not exist. Okay, so we can refresh this. Okay, this is deleting guys, but we have not getting the output inside our UI page. See guys, all these employees deleted. So here we can create another employee like Sankalp. Sankalp X7 and front-end developer. We have registered that. We have registered that 2-3 times, and we have given the search. Inside search, it is deleting guys, but it will be not populating after that. So we can see that what will be error. We have deleting this, and after deleting it will be not populating. So what is the error? Here we can give the data. Okay, this is type mistake. Okay, then we have to save this, then we have to see that we have deleting dynamically. Okay guys, then we have to give the search functionality. Though inside search.ts file we have creating one another method like public find employee by email id. Okay, and here you can not giving any parenthesis, and here you can give the this dot service dot get employee by email id, and here you can give the this dot email. Okay, and the email object we have created here. Okay, okay, then we are getting the let keyword. Inside let keyword you are getting the response. Okay, and after that we have subscribe that response. Subscribe. this dot employee is equal to data. Okay, this is completed, guys. Then we have to search this functionality. So we have to I have already created one template to search the search functionality. So I have copied. Okay, guys, we have one template like here. Okay, this is template, guys. Here we can save search functionality will be there. Here one in input box search button, like here we can give the bootstrap for class. Okay, and here we can, by using two-way binding, we have ng model the employee. Okay, then here we can give the one click event. Okay, guys, here we can give the click event. Click, like we have giving the event like find by employee ID. Okay, then we have to save this and we have to check this we have working or not. So here we can give the, we have adding one more employee, register, and here we can give the employee name like Amol, and Amol at the rate learn code with Sankalp. Okay, and experience will be 3 years and he will be dev oops. We have saved this, Amol will be saved, then we have to giving the registrator. Okay, we have Amol, then we have to search this employee and we have to see that. Okay, we have seen the searching this. Okay, and we have to search Amol, so we have to unable to search Amol. Okay, our search functionality is also completed, guys. Then we have to manually we have clicking on URL and changing the page. It is not recommended, guys. Then we have to use the navigation. So firstly we have creating one new component. Here we can creating new component ngGC component name like home and stand alone equal to a false. Okay, we have created one new component, guys. Then we have to changing some inside the routing. We have changing some routing and we have to configure like this. Okay, our component is created, guys. Then we have to changing one routing. This is our component. Where is this is our component, guys. Firstly we have changed in our routing. So open the routing class. Okay, here we can change, we have changed them in the inside the routing. Here we can add one home component, and here we can home and home component. Okay, and here we can give the redirect to home. By default path will be home. By default home. Okay, then next thing will be that we have to getting the, we have opening the our home.ts file. No anything change in home.ts file, we have changing in home.html file. So I have already make one template, so home.html file. Okay, this is the template. Okay, then this is the template, guys. So here we can give the our, this is our basically home page. So here we can give the links of our home. So here we can give the like links like router link, and router link we have giving like register. Okay, and here you can give the router link search. Okay, then here we can give the logo. Inside asset we have one we have creating one folder like images, and here inside images we have adding one our employee our logo. So here will be logo. Okay, here we have one logo, we have copying this inside the images folder. Okay, inside images folder we have pasting that logo, and after that we have giving the src of our images. So here you can give the src like asset like images slash logo.png. okay, then here we can give the image like this. Here also we have giving like image. Okay, then after clicking on there, we have another home button will be there. So here we can give the inside the register.html, we have giving the home button like inside div tag we have given the anchor tag, we have the class like nav link, and now we have given the router link like okay, and here we can give the home page. Okay, and this is also giving in the search component also. Okay, we have saving this and we have closed all this window and see how it will be looking. So we have served the that. Okay, our project is running guys, and we have to open this project. Okay, this is the home page button. Okay, this is home page guys. This is two bar, then we have to register. Okay, this is not clickable guys, so we can see that what is the issue. Router link home dot register, here is no matcher. Okay, then inside the router link we have one issue like home component path. Okay guys, we have mistake one, we have missing the slash. Okay, then we have to save this. I'm giving here. Okay, this is our home page. So clicking on register, we have getting register button. Here we can add the class and Amol will be activated successfully. Then we have to go in the home page. Then we have to search to delete. This is Amol will be added. Then we have to delete the Amol. We have to delete the Amol. And we have to delete the Sankalp. We have to delete the Sankalp. After deleting, we have to search the some employee. Then we have to search this. We are getting only this. After clicking home page, we are getting the home page. This is the basic project of the Angular guys. How to create Angular project and how to connect the Angular project to the our backend code. Okay guys, thank you. Bye. If hope I if you understand the concept of Angular. If you any doubt, then below comment in the below text section. I will give the git link in this code inside our description window, so you can download this code. Front end and back end code too also I am giving, so you can download that code from the GitHub. Okay guys, thank you. Bye. If you new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Okay guys, thank you. Bye. Take care.